He sings well.
Where is his brother? They don't know his name. Does he know French? You always come late to the class. Do you drink coffee every morning? She has brought a mobile. Her brother has come. Have you seen his photo? Someone has stolen my book. I have told you everything. Aren't you coming with me?
No, I am not coming.
Her father is coming tomorrow. What is she speaking about? What is he doing now? What is he reading? She is running in the ground. They are talking. I have been working in this school for 5 years. What have you been doing all these days? She was singing when I came into the room. I wanted to see you again. I saw you yesterday. She will come if you ask her. I doubt whether he will come. Stand here until I come back. It's time we left. She began this work at 7 o'clock.